Hey everyone, in this video today I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to make money with Pinterest and affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. This strategy is super easy to implement and it only takes 15 to 20 minutes per day. As you can see, in the past week alone, I've been able to generate $2,500 using this exact strategy. And you can make anywhere between $50 to a couple $100 per day easily with this method. Now this strategy is 100% legit and I'm gonna walk you through this entire process step by step. Now you may be thinking, why Pinterest? Well, if you take a look at this website over here, you can see that in the last 3 months, it is averaging over 1 billion monthly users. So this makes it a great traffic source for affiliate marketers. And when you scroll down, you can see that the top countries are United States, which is a top tier country with the best quality traffic. So my goal is to show you how to create high quality content that you can upload to Pinterest that will sell affiliate products on autopilot. Now, before I begin, I have one favor. Make sure to smash the like button below to support this channel and subscribe if you are new. Now, with that being said, let's jump right in. So the first thing that we're gonna do is head over to ClickBank.com. Now, for everyone that is not familiar with ClickBank, well, this is an affiliate marketplace that allows you to promote all sorts of different products. And your goal as an affiliate marketer is to market the product. For every sale, you will receive a commission. Okay, so that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So the first thing you want to do is sign up if you don't have an account already. I'm going to log in for you guys and I'm going to pick the perfect product so we can start making commissions. So once you have an account, you want to click on Marketplace in the up right corner right here. And this is going to give you all of the offers. Now, here are your niches. All right, so if you want to promote a product in a specific niche, you can pick the niche right here, or you can click on top offers. Now, as you can see right here, these are the top offers on ClickBank as of right now, which means that a lot of affiliates are making a lot of money with these products. For example, on the first place is Alpi Lean. This is some type of health and fitness dietary supplement, which will pay you $140 per sale. So guys, if you get 10 sales per month, that's $1,400, right? You can pay your car bill, you can pay your rent, whatever, right? So as you can see, there's a lot of potential. With only 10 sales, you can make $1,400. So when you scroll down, you can see that there are many products on ClickBank in multiple different niches. For example, this is in the dental health niche. All right, when you scroll down, you can see most of these are in the health and fitness niche, but there are also products in different niches like, the make money online niche. This is spirituality niche. They'll pay you $46 per conversion. Or something like, let's see, e-business and marketing, social media marketing niche. It's gonna pay you $60 per sale. All right, so as you can see, the sky is the limit. There's hundreds of offers on ClickBank, so you guys have no excuses. So now you wanna make sure to pick a product that you can start promoting. I'm gonna go with the live chat jobs for this example. So this product is in the make money online niche, right? So whoever wants to make money online, start an online business, this will be the product that they would like to see, okay? So if you click on it, this is the sales page. So as you can see, find your perfect online job. So I'm gonna promote this product to people that are looking to make some money online, right? They have no job, they want to find an online job, so this is the perfect product for them. So now that you guys have a ClickBank account, you have a product, now it's time to start promoting this product. So you can click on promote, okay? And the tracking ID is Pinterest. All right, since we're going to be using Pinterest to promote this product, I'm going to add Pinterest. Now you can click on create hop link. So this is your secret affiliate URL, and whenever you promote this link online and somebody clicks on it and makes a purchase, you will make a $60 commission. So what we need to do now is head over to ChatGPT and we need to create all the information, the content that we're going to add into our Pinterest pins. Okay, so since we have a product that we're going to be promoting in the make money online niche, so some type of live chat jobs, right? So people who are looking to make money online, people who are looking to find an online job. So we need to create content around this product, around this niche. So head over to ChatGPT, and if you don't have an account already, make sure to create one. So you want to type something like, give me 5 online job ideas and explain how they work. Type enter. And now ChatGPT, this AI tool, is going to give you 5 online job ideas and it's going to explain how they basically work. So as you can see, number 1 is social media manager, number 2 virtual assistant, number 3 content creator, number 4 online tutor, and number 5 e-commerce seller. So all of these 5 online jobs are some great ways to make money online, and these are some great content ideas that we can add inside our Pinterest pins, and they also give away lots of value. And now you can type something like, take the above tips and create a spreadsheet where one column is the main point and one column is the extended description. Type enter. So now ChatGPT is going to grab these tips and it's going to convert it into a spreadsheet. And now you can type something like, give me a clickbait title for 5 online job ideas. So this is going to give you a title, a clickbaity title. Unlock your financial freedom with these 5 online job ideas. Give me 3 more. All right, it's going to give you 3 more ideas. So 5 online jobs that let you work anywhere in the world. 5 online jobs that will make you say goodbye to your 9-to-5 grind and also start earning from home today. 5 lucrative online job ideas you need to know. So these are some awesome clickbaity titles that we can use inside our Pinterest pins. So now that we have the valuable content, we have the title, now it's time to head over to Pinterest and start creating our pins. So now you want to head over to pinterest.com. Now if you take a look at my account, you can see that I've been uploading videos on this account and I haven't been uploading as much as I wanted to, but this is just to show you I have like 10 videos on my account. And don't worry guys, we're going to be creating pins, not videos. For example, this one has 2,500 views, this one has 700, 3,000, 1,400, and this is a decent amount of views from just 10 videos if you ask me. And if you upload, let's just say 3 pins per day every single day and get 2,000, 3,000 views, now you can easily get 5 to 10 sales per day. No questions asked. So what we need to do now is start creating pins. So we have the content, as you can see, we have our little 5 online job ideas with the main point and extended descriptions. We have our clickbaity titles. Now it's time to start creating these pins. So what you need to do right now to start creating these pins, head over to canva.com, and this is an awesome platform that will allow you to create awesome looking pins. So now you can search for something like Pinterest business pin, and here you have some pre-made template that you can directly edit, and it's super easy to use. So as you can see, there are hundreds of templates that you can directly tap into and edit. So we can use this one right here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on customize this template. And now we can directly start creating these pins. So we have 5 online job ideas. So we can start with the first one. All right, we can delete this. We can drag this title up. And this is our description. So first of all, we have social media manager. I'm just going to copy and paste. We can do number 1, social media manager. And we can add the extended description. So I'm just going to copy and paste it inside here. We can make this bigger, 40. We can make it wider, just like this. We can make it even bigger to 50 or so. We can make the title bold. So here we have our first pin, so social media manager, and this is our extended description. And now we need 5, so I'm going to duplicate these 5 times. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it all comes down to copy and paste. So I'm going to do this right now. So I'm going to copy the second online job idea, all right, in the second pin, just like this. Now the second description. And you want to complete this with all 5 online jobs. So I'm going to do it right now and I'm going to be back in just a second. So as you can see, here are my 5 pins. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. And now what you want to do is create one more page, or I'm going to duplicate this one more time. And on this page, you want to say something like this. Click the link inside this pin to apply for an online job today. So this is a call to action. So we have 5 online job ideas, right? So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. And on the 6th page, you want to add a call to action. Click the link inside this pin to apply for an online job today. This is super easy and this works like a charm. So you have the call to action in your pin. So now once you're finished, you want to click on share, click on download, download as PNG, and click on all 6 pages. I'm gonna download it and save it to my desktop. Now before I continue, I just want to mention that I have a free guide that's gonna be in the link below this video, and it's gonna show you guys how I went from $0 to $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing and free traffic. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure to click the link below this video. And once again, this is 100% for free. So once you have your pins downloaded and you have grabbed my affiliate marketing guide, now head over to Pinterest, and now we want to start uploading our pins and generating traffic. So click on create pin. And now you want to, let's close this. We don't need this. Now you want to drag your files. So I'm going to click on drag and drop, select your pins. So it's this one right here, brown gold, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you want to click on create a carousel. All right, click on create pin. All right, perfect. And now you want to add your title, tell everyone what your pin is about, and your destination link. So my title is obviously one of these clickbait titles that ChatGPT gave me. So unlock your financial freedom with these 5 online job ideas. So I'm going to do this. This is a good title. And tell everyone what your pin is about. So I'm going to copy this part and I'm going to paste it inside here, this description. Now the destination link is your ClickBank affiliate URL. So the one you copied earlier. So this one right here. So I'm going to do Pinterest one more time. I'm going to click on create hop link. Now before we do anything, we don't want to copy this link inside here because this is the extended ClickBank link. We need to shorten it with a link shortener. So what you want to do is head over to bit.ly or tinyurl, and you want to shorten this link. So I'm going to click on create new link. I'm going to paste it inside here. I'm going to scroll down and click on create. And now I'm going to copy it. Go back to Pinterest and paste it inside here. And now guys, you can see that we have 5 awesome online job ideas. And the last step is the call to action. Click the link inside this pin to apply for an online job today. So now you can paste the link inside here. And every time somebody looks at this pin, right, they go through the content, right? So number 1, social media manager, right? Number 2, virtual assistant. They read about the job. And at the last page, they can see, click the link inside the pin to apply for an online job today. And this is where you have added your shortened URL. And when you paste it in a new tab, you can see that this is the ClickBank offer that we grabbed earlier. So find your perfect online job. So every time somebody comes to this page, makes a purchase, you're gonna make about $60. So now what you can do is click on publish, okay? And congratulations, you have your first pin. Now the sky is the limit with Pinterest. You can create thousands of pins just like this every single month, right? With hundreds of different content ideas. You can use ChatGPT to give you ideas, right? So 5 online job ideas, the best online businesses, the best online jobs. You have hundreds of content ideas. So this is just to show you what I've been using and other top affiliate marketers to make some quick money using this method. So affiliate marketing and Pinterest, this is what works. You have to stay consistent, guys. You're not going to be successful overnight. You need to start creating more pins every single day. So what I recommend is to publish 2 to 3 pins per day, just like this, every single day. Add your call to action, add your destination URL, and I promise you guys that you're going to start seeing clicks and most importantly, conversions and sales. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to smash the like button below if you have enjoyed this video and subscribe if you're new. This keeps me super motivated to create more awesome content just like this for you. I'll see you in the next video.